Hello there, you amazing people. So in this particular video, we will be learning that what is AutoSum function. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So earlier you learned how to use the sum function in order to do the basic calculations. But applying this function every time, it was consuming a lot of steps. That is, we had to either type is equal to, then write the name of the sum function. That is, I had to do is equal to, write the name of the function, and then hit the brackets and then specify the range of cells. It was very time consuming task, and the other ways which we were using in order to implement the sum functions were either going to the formulas, math trick, and then search for the sum function, this one, or if you clicking on the fx or the insert function button on the upper left corner, not upper left corner, upper left area, upper left portion of your Excel workbook, and then searching for the sum function, hitting enter, and then specifying the range. It was a very tedious task, but now we are going to be using AutoSum function. But now let us see how can AutoSum function increase our efficiency and speed. So I'm going to be deleting all these total values. I'm going to select all of them, or I can say control click and dragging this down, hitting delete, and I have deleted them. Now what I'm going to do is that I am going to click this cell and then going to the formulas. Now all my formulas are here. Okay, so first of all I'm going to click on AutoSum. So you can see that my Excel has automatically selected my range of cells, which is from B3 to B8, and then I can press enter. So this has been done. Again, I can click on this cell and I can press my AutoSum, and this has been done. Again, I can click on this cell and go to formula and press AutoSum. This has been done. For this column, I can go to my formulas, press my AutoSum function. This has been done. You can see that Excel has automatically calculated the horizontal sum, and for these cases it has calculated the vertical sums. Let me do this again, and this. All right. But now let us try to use the AutoSum function without going to the formulas and pressing on the AutoSum button. Now we'll be using some shortcut. So I'm going to again delete these values, and then I'm going to press, for example, I have to calculate the AutoSum for this particular cell. I'm going to come on this cell, select it, and then I'm going to press Alt plus equal to sign, Alt equal to sign on your keyboard. So I'm going to press my Alt button. I have to press my Alt button, plus my is equal to sign in order to implement my AutoSum formula. Let us do that. So I'm going to come here, press Alt plus equal to, and my sum has automatically been calculated. Then I can press enter, go towards this Alt plus equal. Again I can, this time instead of enter I can press tab. I'm going to this column, then Alt plus equal to, then press tab. I'm on this column, and for here I can press Alt plus equal, sum has been calculated, press enter, Alt plus equal, sum has been calculated for these. Again press enter, Alt plus equal to, but this time the sum has been calculated for the vertically, that is for the above two cells. I don't want this, so instead of hitting enter I can select this, press enter, and again I have done this, Alt plus equal to, I can select this, it has been done, press enter, and then I can either copy paste this, Control plus C and then Control plus V, or I can simply select this and use the autofill command. That is, I can select this and drag it down till here, and my sums have been calculated. So again, for AutoSum, what AutoSum does is that if I have some random values, for example 45, 634, 32, 0, 9, what I can do is that I can go to this cell, or in a cell where you have to calculate AutoSum, and then go towards the formula and select the AutoSum, or press Alt plus equal to, and your sum is going to be calculated. So this is how your AutoSum is going to work. So let us try to fill my values here for this particular column. I'm going to press Alt equal to, and here you can see that my range has specified this because this is a range of cell that lies above it, but I don't want this range, I want this particular range. So I'm going to select it, press enter, and my AutoSum has been calculated. Now I can simply select it and drag till here, and then release my cursor, and my AutoSum has been calculated for all these columns. So this is how your AutoSum and autofill works. Okay, let us do this again. Alt plus equal to, and it has been done. Great. 1 minute. Alt plus equal to, and then I'm going to select it here, press enter, and this has been done. So this is how you can use your AutoSum command. So that was all for today, guys. In this video we learned another basic Excel function, which was AutoSum, which drastically increase our proficiency, and we don't have to manually use the we don't have to use sum function again and again, and instead we can just use our shortcut control alt and equal to sign, and we can instantly calculate the sum of our selected range of cells. So that was all for today. We will meet in our next video